hexagon. Hexagon एक figure. It has 6 sides and 6 angles. Hexagon. This hexagon is known as super hexagon because up to standard secondary level trigonometry, each and every relation, every identity are related here. We can determine, we can evaluate every types of identity by help of this relation. Now this vertices name is tan theta. Tan theta is same as sin theta by cos theta. Then sin theta reverse is cosec theta, cos theta reverse is sec theta, tan theta reverse is cot theta. And in middle portion put a 1. In trigonometry there are so many types of identities are there. First one is quotient identity. Tan theta is same as sin theta by cos theta, means taking 3 consecutive vertices and write the first one is second by third. So tan theta is same as sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta. Similarly sin theta is same as cos theta by cot theta, sin theta is same as cos theta by cot theta, cos theta is same as cot theta by cosec theta, cos theta is same as cot theta by cosec theta, cot theta is same as cosec theta by sec theta, sec theta is same as tan theta by sin theta. This identity is known as quotient identity. Quotient identity. Reciprocal identity, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. If you taking the diagonal, the relation of diagonal, tan theta is 1 by cot theta, sin theta 1 by cosec theta, cos theta 1 by sec theta. So sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Similarly cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Similarly cot theta is same as 1 by tan theta. Cos theta is same as 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is same as 1 by cos theta. It is the reciprocal identity. Co-functional identity or complementary identity. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. If you taking line, horizontal line relation, sin theta, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta or vice versa, cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Horizontal line relation, tan 90 minus theta is equal tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta or cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Next one is sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta or cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. This identity known as co-function identity. If you taking the triplet identity. Now taking this triangle, now there are 6 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. Select first this triangle, second triangle and third triangle using this mark. Using this mark, then sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta or cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Next, tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. Tan square theta plus square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. This identity is known as Pythagorean identity, Pythagorean triplet identity or Pythagorean identity. Another identity, this is a quadrilateral. Sin theta, cos theta, 1, tan theta is a quadrilateral. If we do cross product, sin theta into 1 equal to tan theta into cos theta. Sin theta is the same as cos theta into tan theta. Similarly, sin theta into cos theta equal to cos theta. Cos theta equal to sin theta into cos theta. Another quadrilateral here, 1 into cosec theta equal to sec theta into cos theta. Cosec theta equal to sec theta into cos theta. Another quadrilateral here, tan theta into cosec theta, tan theta into cosec theta is the same as sec theta. The easy way to remember all the trigonometry values. The trigonometry values sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. And rotating this, sin 0 degree is 0, sin 30 is half, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. Then rotating it, then cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 half, cos 90 is 0. Then tan 0 0, tan 31 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3, tan 90 not defined. This is one interesting model. Students are easily to prepare the model